Hello everyone, welcome to Red Potato Kitchen, and this is Mr. Red Potato. In today's episode, I want to share with you all about Asam Fish, or it is also known as Asam Pedas. Asam Pedas is a traditional Nyonya dish that is sour, spicy, and tastes extraordinarily satisfying. If we want to translate it into English, means sour spicy. There are tons of different versions of Asam Pedas, and this version is actually how my mom cooks her Asam Pedas. We can use a few types of fish to prepare Asam Pedas, such as pari, also known as stingray, bawal, pomfret, or ikan merah, also known as red snapper. Here, I'm using Ikan Kembung or chopped mackerel. Let's not burning the daylight and start cooking our Asam fish. These are the ingredients needed: 10 ikan kembung, 2 pieces of tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chili paste or chili giling, half tablespoon of belacan. This is optional, so if you have any allergy to shrimp, you can skip this. 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste plus water, 1 inch of ginger, 1 inch of galangal. Galangal looks a bit similar to ginger, but it is not. A lot of people mistaken galangal for ginger. Galangal has a sweet, earthly, spicy, mustard-like aroma, while ginger has a peppery, sharp, pungent, and warm aroma. Galangal aroma is stronger than ginger. 1 piece of yellow onion, 5 to 6 pieces of red onions, 2 stalks of lemongrass, 1 stalk of bunga kantan or torch ginger. This bunga kantan normally we put in asam laksa. The smell is fantastic. 1 sprig of daun kesum, or also known as Vietnamese mint or coriander. This one we put in asam laksa too. 4 cloves of garlic, 10 small okra or lady's fingers. Lady's fingers are a very good vegetable. They help to improve our digestion, strengthen our body immunity, which is what we need during this pandemic, good for our skins and eyes, and even help lower our blood pressure. What an amazing vegetable, right? Once you're done preparing all the ingredients, let us begin to prepare the dish. First, you heat the pan with low heat. Then, pan fry the belacan without oil until they are fragrant. Please don't over fry the belacan. And stop stirring once you see the belacan becomes like this. Next, you prepare the ingredients that need to be blended. Cut the yellow onion into slices. Then, do the same thing with the red onions. Afterward, peel and remove the garlic skin. Finally, peel the ginger and the galangal. Put the onions, garlic, ginger, galangal, and belacan in the blender together with some water. Then you blend them until smooth. Next, you cut the bunga kantan into half. Then you cut the tomatoes into wedges. After that, you bruise the lemongrass in order to release its flavor. Lastly, you prepare the lady's fingers. Once done, you heat the pot with low-medium heat. Pour in some oil. After the oil is hot enough, then you pour in the blended ingredients. Stir them for 5 minutes. Then you put in the turmeric powder and keep stirring for another 5 minutes. Remember to keep stirring to avoid burning. Next, put in the chili giling and keep stirring them until the paste pecah minyak. Normally, it will take another 20 minutes for the paste to pecah minyak. Afterward, put in the lemongrass and keep stirring for another 5 minutes. Now, you add in the tamarind paste and bunga kantan. Stir them for 3 to 5 minutes. And then, you add in some water. Add in a bit more water if you want more gravy. Let it simmer for 3 minutes. And you can add in the rest of the tamarind paste if you prefer more sour taste. Next, you put in the daun kesum, and the tomatoes. Gently stir and simmer them for 5 minutes. And then you put in the fish. Gently stir the fish until they mix well with the gravy. Remember not to stir them too hard, as you most probably will wreck them. The fish will become soft and easily wreck once they are cooked. Afterward, you add in some salt and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce to taste. Taste the gravy and add more salt to suit your taste. Next, you add in the lady's fingers and let them simmer for 5 more minutes. Finally, it is done. Just look at this marvelous dish. This dish tastes best when served hot. You can try it out yourself and send me feedback. Good luck! Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. If you prefer to listen to Mrs. Red's Mandarin version, please click the link in the description below. See you again in the next episode. Mr. Red Potato signing off. Bye!